This is Braggins Adventures.
Hi friends, Alan Braggins here with Braggins Adventures, Overnight Outings. We're here at the Days Ends RV Park in Standish, California. We're just off Highway 395. This was a last minute find for us. Just to let you know, we called the number at 6:30 at night. Grace answered the phone. She said, yeah, we got a place for you. Come on back. Park in 9, 12, or 13. Put your money in the drop box. We did that. So we've got a place for tonight. So we're really thankful for that. So I'll show you around a little. This is the drop box for the fees. The rates were on the door, and the black mailbox held the envelopes for you to put your fees in. The information included in the envelope that you put your fees in had the combination to the laundry room and the shower facilities. Although the park was small, it was very adequate, had shade, and full hookups. We actually found this campsite through Compendium. The link to the app is in the comments below. Both Grace and Ernie, the camp host, they're a great couple. I would highly recommend this park if you're in the need of a park near Standish, California. See you on the next overnight outing.